Tribet small body and large energy welding machine. Everybody knows it. This one is our new Tribet product. Small body and large energy series 268DV model. This machine can be connected to 220 volts and 380 volts. Intelligent recognition. It's a wide voltage. Voltage range from 130 volts to 510 volts can be used. Multi-board architecture. It is an electrode that can weld to 0.5 and 3.2 for a long time. Use this for 0.0 electrode to test weld today. I have prepared for 0.0 and 3.2 welding electrodes here. Let's challenge the 4.0 welding rod, okay? Turn up the current a little bit. 170 amps. Firepower is also very sufficient. We generally have long welding to 0.5 for this machine, short welding 3.2 electrode. Then we challenge it today with 4.0 welding rod. Challenge success. This machine is for our family use. Do some small projects. If you open a store, use it for the unit. They're all very good choices.